I'm Nathaniel Lee,
I'm Isaiah Johnson.
and this is our API screencast for CST 256. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate the job post API. So this starts by giving us all the job posts in the database, and then if we add a specific job post ID to the URL, it will pull up a given a specific job post. You can do the same thing with the member profile, and actually we'll go ahead and demonstrate the failed non-existent job post. So it just returns a DTO with an error code in the message. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing with the profile. And that's pretty much the same message. And then we'll go ahead and pull a actual user. And that's the JSON that gets returned from that. Only new code is the DTO. If you want to go ahead and walk through these methods.
Yeah, so the index method for the job REST API, when they type in /clc slash job posts, it'll call this index method, and that'll call the job post business services get all job posts, which will return an array of job posts. And then if there are jobs in that array, then it will go ahead and create a new DTO model with the message successfully retrieved job posts and then the array that was returned. And then if not, then it will give you the error. And then you go ahead and return the JSON encoded job posts to the you just return the JSON encoded job posts. Sorry. And then when they input a certain ID, that's when it calls the show method. And that's going to call the get job post by ID with the ID as the parameter. And then same thing, it'll create a DTO model based on whether or not the array is populated. And then it'll go ahead and return a JSON encoded array. And then same thing for the member profile REST controller. It calls the user business services find user add, and then it will go ahead and create a DTO model and populate it with the array. And if there is nothing in the array, then it will give you the bad input, and then it will go ahead and JSON serialize that, or JSON encode that, and then return that result.
And that's it for new functionality. If you want to check out the older functionality that we didn't update for this milestone, go ahead and check out the last video.